Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is your girl, the bald head girl. Period. You guys for clicking this video. Thank you guys. Thank you. Welcome back to another video. No. Hi guys, today Hi guys, I did my makeup under 10 minutes. This cute little flawless beat. If you guys want to see this video, keep on watching. Just fuck it. Just cue the music. Just cue the Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am sweating so bad, but the only reason why I have this robe on because I don't want my shirt to get dirty. So we doing this real quick, girl. Okay, this is about to be a 20-minute makeup tutorial. Like when you're in a rush, when you want to go to Target, when you want to go to Burlington, girl, anywhere you want to go, we about to put it on. My face is already moisturized. I am gonna put some of my Smashbox Perma on. This stuff, it just kind of blurs it, and especially when you're just kind of going for a more like, it's really hot here. Like I'm in Louisiana and it's really hot, so I don't need nothing too heavy. Let's just say for the day. Foundation, I am gonna be using Skin Blur Eavesdrop, definitely Eavesdrop, but 20, and I'm just gonna put this over into my skin. Oh, that looks really bright, girl. Blend this out with a Morphe E63 brush. I don't like to slide my makeup in. I like to buff my makeup in, like. So now that I have my foundation blended out, this is beautiful, just very light coverage, not too much. I'm just came to pick up my groceries and get the fuck. This how we looking. Our concealer, I am going to be using my Juvia's Place concealer in number 12. Love this concealer. It's very lightweight, very beautiful. It gets the job done without overdoing it, if it makes sense. And this is in the shade 12. I'm gonna just go straight in with this concealer. A little, like a tad bit of my Umber by Hourglass, and just go right here. I just like to do this just to kind of just diffuse any brightness I might have. For our contour, I'm going to be using another Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in number 4. This is a really rich but like kind of sort of like a chill cream contour. I'm trying to record a reel and all of that while I'm doing this. Just cause we still want to be snatched, you know what I'm saying? I feel like everywhere we go, it is basically like a for me, I will say, I'm still building my platform up, so still everywhere I go I still need to be beat. Okay, I need to be beat but not like overdone, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna let that dry for just a little while. Just let it dry. Drying gives you like a little more coverage, and since I'm going outside, I want the coverage, but not too much. I don't want to look cake. My Smashbox blurring concealer brush, blurring foundation brush, and blending this out. Like, look how this concealer is really water based, so it doesn't, like, it's not very pigmented, and I feel like that is a great thing for Juvia's Place, because you know they concealer, child. Oh girl, I mean they foundation, girl, that will cover up any sins you might have had 5 fucking years ago. So this is just perfect. It's a perfect match for that for your what am I trying to say, for that foundation, which is really good. Can you see that? I'm almost out. That's how you know it's a good concealer. Really great concealer. Fenty concealer in 490. and just going right on top of my upper lip. This just giving me a very pouty look. My beauty blender and start to blend this out. And I got this hot ass robe on. Like, what is like? Now that I have that all blended out, this looks great, but I am going to go in with Deep Olive by e.l.f. The e.l.f. 16 hour concealer. Look at my nails. That's horrible. And Deep Olive. I don't know why I like this shade so much. I don't know if it's the undertone or what, but it just always makes me look so just snatched, and I love that. And I'm just going to start blending this out. Y'all, so Chanel powder in number 30, and I'm gonna use this powder, girl, every chance I get, because this powder was $30. Yes, you heard it here first. $30. A really good setting powder. Set my face. Like, look at that. Do y'all see how it just disappeared? It's just giving me very much. It reminds me of Huda. I just really didn't get the I really didn't get a really good shade to me. So I think I need to go and get a different shade, but this shade is not translucent. It's like right underneath translucent. For bronzer, I am gonna take Cocoa Naughty. Go back, take it to like the OGs, honey. Bring it back a couple of Charlotte. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer because it seems like that mother not picking up a little bit. Seems like it ain't getting it. It ain't getting the job done. Okay. For lips, I am gonna be using Chestnut by MAC. I really want to use Court, but I can't find it. So I'm gonna just use this real lightly, like very lightly. Says I'm using lightly and use it heavy as hell. On my Sephora molasses and go right here, just right there. That's it. Eartha by Oma Beauty. My Eartha is breaking. Oh my god, like, can you see? Can you focus on the lipstick? Not, you probably can't see it, but you can literally just come on. I put a Cookie Butter by NYX. This shit is so thick. Wow. like hell. Taking X Glass by Juvia's Place. Okay guys, so this is, let me fix my ears first of all. Look, I hope you, what is my hair crooked? Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it. Very quick, very easy, very you in there and you out. Very lightweight. My face feels like I'm wearing nothing, even though I am. Still kind of like a eye catcher from Forever 21. I got this from like in Miami. I think very chaotic 10-minute makeup routine, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Outfits, I will probably vlog some of it, but outfit is basically me branding, periods. It's always a good day to brand. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but before we go, it's with the one size powder, one size spray, because I don't want my makeup to move. Might be sweating, you know, won't really know, but yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to join the family. Don't forget to just leave a comment, say some nice generous words. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you guys. Bye. Girl, you probably on your 3rd video. Girl, join the family. Stop playing.